Let us extrude a face. We can select this face, press enter, and extrude it in this direction. Notice that is hollow, and that's because we have solid equals to no. Undo. Let's do it again. Select the face, press enter, solid equals to yes, and there you go. Undo. Let me turn on this layer, select this curve and extrude it. There you go. We can also extrude this one, press enter, and look, direction. I can come to the front viewport and select, for example, that direction, that vector. And I can extrude it right there. You see that? Beautiful. So now you have the possibility to extrude. But let me delete this one and draw a curve right here on the floor. Right there. And this is my path. So I can select this command with the right click, extrude face along this path. And there you go. In case you need something like that. If I undo and delete this one and create something a little bit more interesting, like this one, we can do it again. Right click, select, press enter, the path, and there you go. Beautiful.